Hey there, entrepreneurs and business owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an incredibly exciting topic lined up for you. We're diving deep into the best 10 CRM tools that can skyrocket your business efficiency. If you're looking to streamline your workflows, manage your clients effortlessly, and boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Plus, stick around till the end because we've got a special discount on one of these top tools just for you. Let's get started. What is a CRM? Before we jump into our top picks, let's quickly cover what a CRM is and why it's crucial for your business. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a system that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. The right CRM tool can help you keep track of customer data, streamline communication, automate workflows, and so much more. It's like having a personal assistant for your business. Criteria for choosing a CRM. Now, what makes a great CRM? Here are some key criteria you should consider. The good CRM should be user-friendly and intuitive. It should offer customization options to fit your unique business needs. It should integrate seamlessly with other tools you use. Look for powerful automation features to save time and reduce manual work. As your business grows, your CRM should be able to scale with you. Make sure it fits within your budget. With these criteria in mind, let's dive into our top 10 CRM tools. Starting at number 10, we have Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is known for its robust feature set and affordability. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for sales, marketing, and customer support. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, making it a great choice for businesses already using Zoho's ecosystem. With features like lead management, workflow automation, and analytics, Zoho CRM helps businesses of all sizes manage their customer relationships more effectively. Coming in at number 9, we have HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is a favorite among small to medium-sized businesses due to its user-friendly interface and free plan. It offers a wide range of features, including contact management, email tracking, and sales pipeline management. The best part? It integrates perfectly with HubSpot's marketing, sales, and service hubs, providing a cohesive platform for your entire business. At number 8, we have Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the most popular CRMs on the market, known for its extensive customization options and powerful analytics. It's ideal for large enterprises but also offers solutions for smaller businesses. With features like lead management, sales forecasting, and AI-powered insights, Salesforce can help you drive more sales and improve customer satisfaction. Number 7 on our list is Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM designed to help small businesses manage their sales pipelines more effectively. It's highly visual, making it easy to see where each deal stands at a glance. Pipedrive's automation features help you stay on top of follow-ups and never miss an opportunity. At number 6, we have Freshsales. Freshsales by Freshworks is a powerful CRM that offers AI-based lead scoring, built-in phone, email, and activity capture. It's perfect for businesses looking to streamline their sales processes and improve customer engagement. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have Insightly. Insightly combines CRM and project management into one platform, making it ideal for businesses that need to manage both customer relationships and projects. It offers features like contact management, workflow automation, and detailed reporting, helping you keep everything organized and running smoothly. At number 4, we have Nimble. Nimble is a simple, smart CRM for small businesses that integrates with your email and social media accounts to gather all your contacts in one place. It offers robust contact management features and helps you build stronger relationships with your customers by providing valuable insights and reminders. Coming in at number 3, we have Capsule CRM. Capsule CRM is a straightforward, easy-to-use CRM that offers all the essential features without any unnecessary complexity. It provides excellent contact management, task tracking, and sales pipeline features. At number 2, we have Keep, formerly Infusionsoft. Keep is a comprehensive CRM that combines sales and marketing automation, making it ideal for small businesses that need to streamline their operations. It offers features like automated follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and invoicing. Keep helps you save time and focus on growing your business. And finally, our top pick for the best CRM tool is Honeybook. Honeybook is an all-in-one business management platform that helps you manage your projects, book clients, send invoices, and get paid all in one place. It's especially popular among creative professionals like photographers, event planners, and consultants. With HoneyBook, you can easily automate your workflows, manage your calendar, and communicate with clients seamlessly. Let's take a closer look at some of HoneyBook's standout features. Easily create and send invoices to get paid on time. Secure payments simple, fast, direct, and digital. Ironclad contracts easy to use, ready to sign, and all online. Fast scheduling share availability, get booked, and confirm meetings smoothly. Powerful automations trigger automated replies, follow-ups, or tasks nothing is ever missed. HoneyBook also integrates with your favorite tools like Google Calendar, QuickBooks, and Zoom, making it a versatile addition to any business. And here's the best part: HoneyBook is offering a 25% discount for 1 year exclusively for our viewers. Plus, you can try it free for 7 days with no credit card required. Just click the link in the description to claim your discount and start your free trial today. There you have it, our top 10 CRM tools to help you skyrocket your business efficiency. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large team, there's a CRM on this list that can meet your needs. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive HoneyBook discount and free trial by clicking the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.